Today I'm going to take you through mathematics on trigonometry. And I have a question here which is saying the diagram below shows a triangle KMN in which KM is equal to 8 kilometers, MN is equal to 10 kilometers, and KMN is equal to 92 degrees. As you can see here, and the question says calculate KN. Find the distance KN. Now, how do you find the distance? We're going to write solution here. We start with number 1. We'll now find distance. So say distance A is going to be squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos theta. And thereafter, you can now start replacing. We are finding A, so we'll replace with what we've been told to find. That is K n squared equal to what is B. We replace with our K squared plus C, which is n. So you have n squared minus 2 kn cos our angle, we have n. So write n there. And then after you can start replacing, we have kn equal to our k is opposite of what we have here, which is 10. So write 10 squared plus n, that is the opposite side, which is 8 squared minus 2 open brackets. Our k, that is 10. So write 10 open brackets. We have 8, which represents n. So we have 8 there. Cos our angle, that is 92 degrees. So write 92 there. And thereafter, you can punch everything down the calculator. 10 times 10 to give us 100 plus 8 times 8 to give us 64 minus 2 times, that is 2 times 10, you can show it there. 2 times 10 times 8 cos 92. So you have 92 there equal to, so we have negative 5 0.583 9, I can end just there. Okay, then I can proceed. Say Kn. Also there Kn squared equal to, what is 100 plus 64 should give us 164. Write 164. And this will change to plus because this time that give us positive 5.5839. From there, we can now add. So we have 164 there. 164 plus 5.58 or 5.5839, which is going to give us 169. So write Kn squared is equal to 169.58339. All got together. And thereafter, we can now square root on both sides. We square root here and also there. So you say Kn is equal to the square root of 169.5839. We can show it in the calculator. That is the square root of 169.5839, which will give us 13.02. 13.022, which is continuing there. So we can round off our answer either to 1 decimal place or 2 decimal places. We have Kn equal to, if you round off this, we're going to have 15 kilometers. That's according to what it is here. So this is the final answer for the first one. Okay, let's now proceed to question number 2, which is saying calculate, that is the area of triangle KMN. So that's number 2, can indicate here. So for us to find the area of this, suppose come up with the formula, that is area equal to half BC sin theta. So since we have that formula, we can now start placing. We say A is equal to half. This BC represents what you had there as NK or KN. So write that is Kn, sin. The sin we have is the m, as you can see here. So write that is m. Then thereafter you can now start replacing. We say area is equal to half. Our k there represents the opposite side, which was 10. So write 10 there. Then our n is the opposite side, which is 8. So write 8. Sin. Our sin is what we have there on m, which is 92 degrees. Then thereafter, now we can punch everything there on the calculator. So we can show it here. That is 10 times 8 sin 92, which will give us 79.95126616. So that is area equal to 79.95126616. And this answer must be divided by the 2 that we had there. So divide by 2 area and bring it down. So you divide this answer, dividing this answer by 2, which will give us that 9.97563308. That is 9.97563308. And thereafter you can round off the whole number. So area is equal to, if you round off this one, you're going to find 40 kilometers squared. That is the answer for numero 2. Okay, we now proceed to question numero 3, which is saying calculate the shortest distance from M to Kn. Now, how do you find that? That's numero 3. So to find the shortest distance from M to Kn, we can draw this. So we're trying to find this over together. So how do you find this? So SD, shortest distance, representing that, is equal to 2a over base. Over together. So we proceed to say SD is equal to 2a. Our a we had found, that is 40. So write 40. Divide by the base that we had found, which was 13. Write 13. And thereafter, where you get this from is what you had found here as 13. So say SD is equal to 2 times 40. That will give us 80 over 13. And thereafter, we say SD is equal to, that is 80, as you can see there on the calculator. That is 80 divided by 13, which is going to give us 6.153846154. So write 6.153846154. And thereafter, you can write this correct to a whole number. That is SD is equal to, if you round off this, you're going to have, that is 6, which is because the number at the point is below 5. That is 6 kilometers. There, you're done.